Understanding ACT Reading Comprehension Questions. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the ACT Reading Comprehension section, specifically focusing on the various types of questions you might encounter. Understanding these question types can significantly improve your strategy and accuracy when tackling this section. Let's get started. Before diving into the specifics, it's crucial to understand why recognizing different question types is beneficial. 1. Predictable patterns. Once you're familiar with the types of questions, you'll start to recognize patterns, making it easier to identify the answers. 2. Time management. Knowing the type of question can help you decide how much time you should spend on it. 3. Focused strategy. Different questions may require different strategies. Recognizing the question type can guide your approach. These questions ask about the central theme or primary point of the passage. They might be worded as, the main purpose of the passage is to, the author primarily discusses. Tip. Look for the main idea in the first and last paragraphs, as authors often introduce and conclude with their primary points. These questions focus on specific details or facts mentioned in the passage. They might look like, according to the passage, what did? The author mentions that. Tip. Always refer back to the passage to confirm your answer. Avoid relying solely on memory. For these questions, you'll need to make an educated guess based on the information provided in the passage. They might be phrased as, the passage suggests that, it can be inferred from the passage that. Tip. Use the text as a foundation. But remember, you're looking for an answer that isn't directly stated. These questions ask about the meaning of a word or phrase in the context of the passage. For example, in line 15, the word diligent most nearly means, the phrase turned a blind eye in the passage means. Tip. Always consider the context. A word might have multiple meanings, but only one that fits the passage's context. These questions ask about why the author included a specific detail, argument, or piece of evidence. They might be phrased as, why does the author mention? The inclusion of the anecdote in paragraph 3 serves to. Tip. Look for clues in the surrounding sentences. Understanding the bigger picture can help you identify the purpose of specific details. This type of question seeks to identify the author's feelings or attitude towards a subject. Examples include, the author's tone in this passage can best be described as, how does the author feel about? Tip. Look for emotionally charged words or phrases to decipher the author's tone. And that's a wrap. By understanding and identifying the types of questions in the ACT Reading Comprehension section, you'll be better equipped to tackle them head-on. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with these questions, the better you'll get at answering them. Happy studying and best of luck on your ACT journey.